Imagine standing on the edge of a vast desert, not just looking at sand and scrub, but at one of the greatest untapped treasures in Africa. This is Ethiopia's Ogaden Basin, stretching across 350,000 square kilometers of the Somali regional state. Beneath its rugged surface lies a fortune in oil and natural gas, a resource so significant it could transform Ethiopia from an energy importer into a regional powerhouse. The question is, can this potential be unlocked, and will it truly fuel the nation's future? Recent surveys have confirmed it. There's over 21 billion cubic meters of natural gas buried here. Earlier estimates? They go as high as 7 trillion cubic feet. That's enough energy to power factories, light up cities, and even turn Ethiopia into a major exporter on the global stage. But it doesn't stop there. Oil prospects in blocks 9, 9A, and 13 suggest more than 500 million barrels could be recoverable. Numbers like these could put Ethiopia right alongside the energy giants of East Africa. Just imagine, if these reserves are harnessed, they could generate up to $7 billion every single year. That's money for roads, schools, and hospitals. And Ethiopia isn't just thinking local. Plans are already on the table for pipelines stretching to Djibouti and massive LNG exports bound for China. It's a bold vision, Ethiopia, at the heart of a new African energy revolution. But big dreams come with big challenges. The Ogaden Basin has seen decades of conflict, from the Ogaden War to insurgencies that have stalled development again and again. Today there's hope that peace agreements will hold, but nothing's guaranteed. And as excitement grows, so do the concerns. Environmental risks threaten fragile ecosystems. Will local communities benefit, or will they watch as outsiders reap the rewards? Some fear the classic resource curse: corruption, pollution, and inequality. Transparency is still a work in progress. Will Ethiopia be able to share this wealth fairly and develop sustainably? The world is watching. Investors from China, Malaysia, and local companies like Southwest Energy are pouring in. Ethiopia stands at a crossroads. This could be the dawn of prosperity, or just another missed opportunity. Everything depends on smart governance, the right technology, and most of all, a commitment to making sure growth is shared by everyone. I see the Ogaden Basin as more than just a patch of earth. It's a key to Ethiopia's future. But only if its wealth fuels not just the economy, but the hopes and ambitions of its people. So I want to hear from you. Can Ethiopia's gas and oil reserves drive real change? Let me know what you think in the comments. Together, let's imagine a brighter future, powered from within.